So, in this video, we will discuss about the coordinate geometry, chapter 7, coordinate geometry, the exercise 7.4, optional exercise. That is question number 4. Then the question is very important in the NCERT questions. Okay, in the many times asking the board question also. So, how to solve this type of problems? Okay, so what are the questions? The two opposite vertices of the square, even the two vertices are given, find the coordinate of the other two vertices. Say one square, okay, here one square, okay, here I will choose the coordinate point A, B, C, D. Here the vertices of the square, opposite vertices of the square. The given question is opposite vertices of the square. Suppose I will choose the first point minus 1, 2. Point A means same opposite point, but C. That's the point C is equal to 3, 2. Or here you will choose the point B is equal to minus 1, 2 means automatically you will choose the point B is equal to 3, 2. That's the meaning. Where you will choose another point is opposite side, not parallel side. That's clear? Okay. Next I find out the other two vertices, that is vertices B and D. I will find out the vertices of D and D. So here I will choose the first, I will find out the coordinate point B. That's the meaning x, y. I will choose. Okay. Here just you draw that diagonal. Here what's the formula? Okay. This is an idea. You see the Pythagoras theorem. Here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Understood? Right. Again, what's the other condition of the square? The four sides are equal. It's clear. So AB first AB distance equal to BC distance. Both the square mean all sides are equal means. So I will take it first conditions. I will take it the distance of AB is equal to the distance of BC. Okay. So find out the distance of AB. How to find out the distance of AB? Is equal to same way square root of x plus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square is equal to same way BC again square root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square. Taking power, okay, over here x plus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square is equal to x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square. Now just to explain, what's the value? X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y. Again here square root of 1, here is square value 4, over here plus 5. Similarly again you will explain x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y. Again the square root value is 9 square 4. What's the value? Plus 30. Okay, you want to explain simply. Now what are the same term? Plus x square, here x square, y square, here y square, simplify 2x minus 4y plus 5 plus 6x plus 4y minus 30 is equal to 0. Okay, simplify here 2x plus 6x, that's the meaning of 8x minus 4y plus 4y should be cancelled. Okay, here 5 and here minus 13. What is the remaining? Minus 8 is equal to 0. You can simplify 8x is equal to 8. That's the value of x is equal to, what's the value? 1. That's clear? Next step. Okay, you find the value of x. See here, next I find out the value of y. So same way I will put the diagonal line here using the Pythagoras theorem. Point B is a 90 degree. So in a triangle ABC, B is a point B is a 90 degree. Using the Pythagoras theorem. What's the Pythagoras theorem? Here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Here AB, same way using the distance of AB, AC. First I find the distance of AC. AC means here AC square also. But here this value x1, y1, I will choose this value x2, y2. But here x2 minus x1. That's the meaning of 3 plus 1 the whole square. That's clear? Next 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 the whole square is equal to AB square. Here AB, that's the meaning of x minus 1 the whole square, that is x plus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2b whole square plus bc square. Here same way, here bc square x minus 3b whole square plus y minus 2b whole square. Okay, here what's the value of x? X is equal to 1. You must substitute the x value is equal to 1. Okay, so to simplify 4 upper what's mean 16 plus this value is 0 is equal to, here you substitute the value of x equal to 1, that's the meaning of 2 square. Okay, here plus just a plus b the whole square, that is the meaning of y square minus 4y plus 4, next plus x value substitute the value of 1, here 1 means minus 2 the whole square plus the explain x square minus 4y plus 4y. That's clear? Same way, now simplify the above equations. Here 16 is equal to here 4 plus what's the value y square minus 4y, here 4 plus 4 plus y square minus 4y plus 4. Okay, or the same way here simplify 16 is equal to y square to y square minus 4y that's the meaning of minus 8y. Okay, minus 8y. You got to simplify the concept value. Here 4, 8, 12, 4, 16. Over here plus 16. Simplify the equation 2y square minus 18y plus 16. Simple here minus 16 is equal to 0. Got to cancel. Over here 2y square minus 8y is equal to 0. Okay, taking y common. 2y taking common. 2y. What's the remaining? Y minus here 4 is equal to 0. It's clear? That's the meaning of 2y is equal to 0. Another one y minus 4 is equal to 0. Or it's clear? That's the meaning of y is equal to 0. Or next y is equal to 4. How many y's are there? 0 and 4. Already x value 1. Now you will choose the coordinate points. Point C is equal to x value 1. Here 1, y is equal to 0. Next coordinate point T, what's the possible? The coordinate point T is equal to same, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. Okay, otherwise the point C is equal to you will choose, D is equal to you will choose, no problem. Okay, important questions. The 4 mark question, many times asking in the both question paper. Okay, this method, not the questions, this method. Here, and many competitive exam also these questions are asking. See, the vertices of the triangle ABC and the 3 vertices are given. A line drawn to the intersect the side of AB and AC at the point DE respectively. So what's the question? Here one triangle is here. Okay, here one triangle is. Okay, in a triangle A B C. Here the triangle A, what are the coordinate points? A is equal to 4, 6. Next, the coordinate point B is equal to 1, 5. And the coordinate point C is equal to 7, 2. Okay. Here, a line from the inner side of AB and AC. Here AB, that intersect the point, that's the point D, and the AC side, that intersect point, what's the main point? E. Okay, respectively, just draw that line. Here D, E. See, show that AD by AB is equal to 1 by 4. What's the value of AD? That's the distance of AD is equal to 1. Next to AB, the total distance. AD is equal to 4. AD by AD is equal to 4. Same way, similarly, AE 1 and AC total distance 4. Is clear? So calculate the area of the triangle ADE. Area of the triangle ADE. This is the area of the triangle. Next is the compare of the area of the triangle. Whole triangle. What's the ratio? You are asking the questions. Okay. The area of the triangle ADE. ADE divided by what's the original area of the triangle ABC? What's the ratio? You are asking. These methods are this question. Solve the many methods are available, but I will using the simple method. See, using the triangle chapter concept, simple. Here, what's the ratio? Here, ratio is AD. That's a value, side value 1. Here, AE, side value 1. Same way, AB, the total side 4. Here, the corresponding side here also 4. Total length is 4. Here. So, when I compare in a triangle, okay, in a triangle, the sides are equal. That is AB length 4, again AC length is equal to 4. Sides are equal. Again, the coordinate point D and E intersect the same side. Here, length is equal to 1 unit. Here, length is equal to 1 unit. Two areas are equal. The two sides are AD sides and AE. The lengths equal to 1. Again, AB and AC, the lengths are equal to 1. But here, what a conclusions? This line DE is parallel to what a conclusion is BC using the theorem concept. Okay, a triangle, the corresponding sides are equal. That the two lines are parallel. It's clear. But here, what are conclusions? Okay, the DE is parallel to what's the value of that? BC. DE parallel to BC. So a triangle, okay, a triangle, the corresponding sides are parallel means, so similarly the triangle ADE and ABC is equal to similar triangle. Okay, what are the triangle? In a triangle ADE. Next in the triangle ABC, the whole triangle ABC. Okay, so the two lines are parallel means the two triangles are similar triangles. On the conclusion, triangle ADE similar to the triangle ABC. Okay, triangle ABC. The theorems and proofs are available in triangle chapter. Okay, now here the two triangles are similar triangle. So two triangles are similar means the corresponding area, okay, the area AD, okay, area by the whole another triangle, area of the triangle ABC is equal to square of the corresponding side. This is using the result square of the corresponding side. So what's the side? AD by AD. Square of the corresponding sides are equal. So the two triangles are equal means the ratio of the two triangle equal to square of the sides of the given two triangles. This is another one result. Same way AD, the length is equal to 1. Again AB, the length is equal to 4. Up here is equal to 1 divided by 4 the whole square is equal to 1 by 16. This is a concept. Okay. This is the area of the triangle ADU and ABC. The ratio is 1.